Hello everyone. On the behalf of ISSA, welcome back to our weekly podcast, Let's Talk Tech, where we will tell you all that happened in the tech world this past week. This is episode 2 and we have some interesting news coming your way. So let's get into it. Starting off with some alarming security news from South America, the cartel of Latin America banking Trojans may be the largest malware collaboration ever. Recent research by ESCT researchers has revealed a massive act of coordination between the number of malware families across Latin America, which would be the largest ever seen in the history. Such a massive level of coordination among threat actors is certainly a sign of further development and the maturity of cybercrime operations. Moving on to the other side of cybersecurity, the 12th edition of Annual Cybersecurity and the Hacking Conference will be held this weekend. On the inaugural day, NSA Ajit Doval would address the meeting on the post-COVID cybersecurity. The conference discusses the latest trends in hacking and security technology. The latest edition, that would see the participation of around 6,000 delegates, is being held virtually this year due to pandemic. Coming up next, the Indian government has an email tip to protect their bank account. With banking-related cybercrimes are on the rise, it's crucial not to share confidential information with strangers. To help citizens protect their bank account from the scamsters, cyber safety and the cybersecurity awareness handle maintained by the Ministry of Home Affairs has shared a post advising customers to use two separate email accounts, while one can be used for communication and the other can be used for financial transactions. Up next, a vulnerability in the Facebook Android app nets 10,000 bounty. A security vulnerability in the download feature of Facebook's Android application could be exploited to launch remote code execution (RCE) attacks. Security researcher Syed Abdel Hafiz discovered a path traversal flaw in the second method of file downloads. This was achieved by intercepting an upload file request. In the blog posted, he explained how the file step flow enabled the researcher to launch RCE attacks against the target device. Now for some 5G developments courtesy of Cisco. US-based networking company Cisco Systems is planning innovative finance options for the 5th generation or 5G network deployments by Indian telecom operators in India. Cisco aims to bring innovative financial solutions on the top of cutting-edge technology to telecom service providers. They are already engaged with India's leading telcos to get their network architectures ready for 5G. Now, news from Zoom. Video conferencing platform Zoom has introduced the two-factor authentication 2FA login process for its users. The additional measure will require users to present two or more pieces of evidence or credentials that authenticate their ownership of the account. The evidence may include a password or PIN, fingerprints or voice, or something that the user owns like smart card or a mobile device. The 2FA seeks to protect users from security breaches right from the platform. Moving on, let's hear about the Google's take on
Shazam!
tech giant Google hosted its online event Search On, in which company talked about the one interesting feature added called Hum to Search. This new feature tool will allow you to hum the bugging sound which is stuck in your head and you are not able to figure out its lyrics. The company said that it will use machine learning to identify the song. The all-new Hum to Search feature is available in the Google app and it can be used by both iOS and Android devices. Next up, news of partnership of benefit of students. National Informatics Center (NIC) and the Global Technical Organization (IEEE) have joined hands with Oracle to organize a virtual hackathon, Curve TechThon 2020, to incubate new ideas, boost innovation, and use technology in the agriculture and allied sectors. The virtual hackathon is open to students, working professions, startups, freelance technologists, faculty, and IT services firms in India. In other news, Google launched the Pixel 4a 5G last week. It comes with Android 11 and packs the Snapdragon 765G processor. OnePlus also launched the much awaited flagship OnePlus 8T. The hype is all about 5G support and the Rapid Charge unique feature. It sports a 120Hz fluid display and powered by Snapdragon 865 and retails under 40,000. Of course, we have signed off with Apple's announcement of the iPhone 12 that will be released soon, quoted at under 80,000. It runs iOS 14 and a 6-inch display with extra emphasis on security. That's all in this edition of Let's Talk Tech. Looking forward to seeing you in the next week. Goodbye.